am Dar, your mathematics teacher. Today, we will...
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Hello there, I am Amdar, your mathematics teacher. Today, we will be learning about triangles. At the end of this lesson, we will identify the primary and secondary parts of triangle and how to construct it. But before that, please pause the video and answer the what I know part of the module to check how much you already knew about this topic. Were you able to answer all the questions? If not, do not worry, because this video will help you better understand how to construct triangles. We will now proceed to our activity entitled, Am I a Triangle? To perform this activity, we need these materials. Paper strips with length 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 7 inches, and 9 inches. Are you ready with your materials? Let's begin! First, connect the paper strips with length 3, 4, and 7 inches to form a triangle. Does it form a triangle? Let's try another set of strips with length 3, 5, and 9 inches. Does it form a triangle? How about the strips with length 3, 5, and 7? Does it form a triangle? What do you think is the reason why we were not able to construct a triangle using the first and second set of paper strips? To answer, compare the sum of the two shorter lengths with the longest length. Based on this activity, when can we construct a triangle? That's right. Given the three lengths, a triangle will be formed if the sum of the two shorter lengths is greater than the longest length. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. You know what? Triangle has primary and secondary parts. The primary parts of a triangle are sides, vertices, and angles, while the secondary parts are the angle bisector, altitude, and median. The altitude of a triangle is a segment drawn from one vertex of a triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. It is also known as the height of the triangle. The angle bisector of a triangle is a segment that divides an angle of a triangle into two congruent angles. The median of a triangle is a segment drawn from any vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. Did you understand? To check if you really understood the topic, let's have an activity. Consider the triangle KSE. Identify its different parts. What are the sides of the triangle? You're right. The sides of the triangle are segments KE, ES, and KX. What are the vertices? Very good. The vertices are K, S, and E. What are the angles? That's right. The angles are angle KSE, angle SEK, and angle EKS. What is the altitude? Yes, the altitude is segment SR. How about the angle bisector? That's correct. The angle bisector is segment SA. Lastly, what is the median? Very good. The median is segment SH. Now that you know the primary and secondary parts of triangle, we can now construct triangles. Triangles can be constructed if we are given with length of 3 sides, length of 1 side and measure of 2 angles, length of 2 sides and measure of 1 angle. In constructing triangles, you need these materials: ruler, protractor, and compass. Here's the steps in constructing triangles given the length of 3 sides. Suppose we are going to construct triangle with sides 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and 6 centimeters. Step 1. Draw the longest side using a ruler. Open the pair of compasses until they are as wide as the second length. Draw an arc from endpoints of the longest side above the line. Step 3. Open the pair of compasses until they are as wide as the third length. Draw an arc from the other endpoint of your longest side above the line. Step 4. Join the points of intersection of the arcs to the points of your longest side using a ruler. Step 5. Erase the arc. Now, you have a triangle with sides 3 cm, 5 cm, and 6 cm. Next, suppose we are going to construct a triangle with one side measures 5 centimeters and two angles measure 60 degrees and 40 degrees. To construct, here's the steps. Step 1. Draw the given side. Step 2. From one endpoint of the given side, use a protractor to measure the first given angle. Put a construction mark. Step 3. Use a ruler to draw a line from the construction mark. Step 4. From the other endpoints of the given side, use a protractor to measure the second given angle. Put a construction mark. Step 5. Use a ruler to draw a line from the other endpoint of your given side to the construction mark. And for the last step, erase the extra parts of the lines. Now, you have a triangle with side that measures 5 centimeters and two angles that measure 60 degrees and 40 degrees. Suppose we are going to construct a triangle with sides that measures 8 cm and 6 cm and one angle measures 45 degrees. Here's the steps. Step 1. Draw the longest side using a ruler. Step 2. From one endpoint of the given side, use a protractor to measure the given angle. Put a construction mark. Step 3. Use a ruler to draw a line from the endpoint of your given side to the construction mark. Step 4. Draw the third side of the triangle. Step 5. Erase the extra parts. We finally have a triangle that measures 8 cm and 6 cm and one angle measures 45 degrees. Now, it's your turn to construct a triangle. Construct a triangle ACT with each side measures 5 centimeters. Number 2. Construct triangle HOT with one side measures 7 centimeters and two angles measures 50 degrees and 100 degrees. Number 3. Construct triangle BAN with two sides measure 6 centimeters and one angle measures 90 degrees. Great job! You are an excellent learner. Since you already know about the topic, I guess you are now ready to answer the assessment part of the module. If your score is 10 or more, you may now proceed to the next module. However, if your score is 9 or below, please read your module again or watch this video again for the missed items. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something from this video. See you on the next video. Bye!